In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP is one of the most useful Excel functions when you need to search for a value in a table and return related information from another column. In this example, imagine you have a table that spans cells A1 through C10. Column A contains product IDs. Column B contains product names, and column C contains prices. The goal is to find the price for a specific product ID, in this case the 499 entered in cell E2. To begin, click the cell where you want the price to appear. This is the cell where Excel will display the result of the lookup. Choosing the correct output cell is important, so your worksheet stays organized and easy to read. Next, type the formula VLOOKUP, followed by the required arguments. The full formula is equals VLOOKUP. Open parenthesis, E2, comma, A1 colon C10, comma, 3, comma, false, close parenthesis. Let's break down what each part of that formula means so it's easier to understand and remember. The first argument, E2, is the value you want Excel to look up. In other words, Excel will take the product 499 entered in cell E2 and try to find that exact ID in the first column of your selected table. The second argument, A1C10, is the total data range that contains your table. This range includes the product ID column, the product name column, and the price column. When using VLOOKUP, the value you are searching for must be located in the first column of the selected range. In this case, that works perfectly because the product ID is in column A. The third argument, 3, tells Excel which column in the selected range contains the value you want returned. Since price is in the third column of the range A1C10, you use the number 3. The final argument, false, tells Excel to find an exact match. This is especially important for product IDs because you usually want the formula to return a result only when the ID matches exactly. If there is no exact match, Excel may return an error, which is normal and usually means the product ID was not found in the table. Once you enter the formula, press Enter. And Excel will display the corresponding price for the product ID in E2. That's how to use the VLOOKUP function to pull a price from a table quickly and accurately. Thanks for watching.